Hi, my name is Elizabeth Davis Miller, and the three assets that I believe I bring to this class are, first and foremost, a knowledge base of social work, experience directly working in the field of social work, and the varied experience that I have. Although I majored in sociology for my undergrad, I took several courses in social work, and I believe those have helped me throughout my MSW program immensely and continue to help me. 2 months out of graduating with my bachelor's degree, I went right into a social work job and worked for a nonprofit agency for the last 6 years. Within those 6 years, I have worked with several different populations. I've worked with women, I've worked with children, I've worked with families, adults, infants. I've worked with any and every population, and I've worked in different environments. I've worked directly in people's homes. I've seen people in my own office, in welfare agencies, and I've worked with people for different reasons. One would be a teenager going through a crisis and me coming out to their home at 2 in the morning. Another is an adult who is aging out of welfare and I'm preparing them to become self-sufficient for when their cash benefits stop. Another program I have direct experience with is working with children and families and implementing parenting classes. So I believe my knowledge base from my undergrad in combination with my direct experience working in the field and my varied experience, all are great assets to this class and can be helpful when giving that direct experience and a varied opinion or perspective about different situations working directly with people in the social work field. Thanks.